Now is NewsNation legal contributor Jesse Weber. Jesse, wow. Talk about a stunning turn of events late last night. Your reaction to what we know and also what we don't know this morning.
Well, first, let me just say, as a New Yorker, as somebody who's been following Mayor Eric Adams during his time, this is incredibly upsetting. This is not what we wanted to see. Whatever the charges are, you did not want a mayor under criminal indictment. But look, based on what this investigation has been, and it appears it's been going on for about 10 months, if you read between the lines, what I'm expecting to see, and this is purely speculation, is there could be a number of bribery charges. There could be conspiracy charges. The reason I say that is because it's possible that when this indictment is unsealed, Eric Adams may not be the only defendant. This may be multiple people involved. The question, of course, is this is also campaign finance violations. And what you're seeing, eerily similar, based on the investigation, what we're seeing is similar to the Bob Menendez case, this idea of an elected official who might be using that office for personal benefit. Was he receiving anything of value and getting something in exchange or doing something in exchange? So those are the things I'm going to be looking out for. I will tell you, you have a sitting mayor being indicted right now. It becomes a tricky situation. I don't believe that he's just going to, I don't believe that this could be a situation. This is not a violent crime. These are probably white collar crimes. They're usually, in this case, the indictment could come down and he works out a surrender schedule where he would surrender himself, have to be arraigned. But by law, he doesn't have to leave office. He could, in theory, if there is a bail set and he makes it, he could remain in office despite the controversy and despite the indictment.
Yeah. And how does this work when you are such a high-profile government official, Jesse? I mean, he's obviously been at the helm of a very embattled office, but did he have wind, and word that this was coming?
So my understanding is there were reports that his lawyers met with the U.S. attorneys last week to try to negotiate this and see if there could be some sort of deal worked out where these charges didn't come forward. That deal, that conversation didn't seem to mount much success for him. So I believe they understood that this indictment was coming down. They probably didn't know when and exactly it was going to be coming down. And they may have a sense of the charges, they may not. I will tell you, though, when you see multiple search warrants, what was it, last November? He was stopped by the FBI and his phone was ultimately searched. They don't go after people. They do not go after high-profile people, elected officials, unless they have the goods.
Yeah.
So you're going to see U.S. attorneys feel they have a strong case.
Yeah. He says he's going to fight. We'll see if he stays in office, and we'll see what today has in store with the unsealing of this indictment. Jesse, thank you for joining me. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.